Our objective today is to explain the concept of Be My AI for Windows and demonstrate it while using various other software such as Notepad and a video recorder and compliance with Google requirements for Google Voice. For now, I'm going to focus in on the compliance with Google Voice. And for this purpose, I'm going to turn also on the software from Windows, which is the camera software, to demonstrate also a URL tail. A URL tail is a URL that includes a telephone number with the same characters. So I'm going to make a video. I'm recording a video demonstrating the URL tail. In this case, it is 305ontrial.biz, and the magic telephone number is 305 305 area code 668 or 668, and for the last four digits 7425 7425. Now we are moving to the next topic of today, which is Be My Eyes. And I also want to record the same thing with Pissar Problem Step Recorder. So I'm going to click on the Problem Step Recorder. Make sure that the setting is for 999 maximum number of screens. So I elevate the default of 25 to 999 and click OK. And now I'm going to search for Be My Eyes for Windows, download it and install it and test it and demonstrate what I'm doing, and then we'll try to comply with this Google Voice requirement. So first of all, the search for Be My Eyes for Windows, edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and now let's do a search on it. And I'll start by searching using Google. So let's see if I can do a search for it. Be My Eyes for Windows download. That's what I want. And here we have a download Be My Eyes for Windows, iOS, Android, and Windows, for all three of them. So let's navigate to the Windows version and see if it is available here for iOS, and here is for Windows download. Go to English in the United States or stay in UK. I want to go to English. Let's see if I have a download for Windows. There is a screenshot here. So let's download it for Windows. And now we got Be My Eyes install.exe. So I want to go to the download subfolder, go to File Explorer, then navigate to Download. And here is Be My Eyes installer. So I'm going to copy it first, pretend that I want to rename, and with Control C, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then double click it to run it. Be My Eyes. Okay. So I want to paste it in my notes. I have my notepad running here. Be My Eyes for Windows. I'll paste it at the beginning. Be My Eyes for Windows.exe, I think it was. Now, Be My Eyes for Windows brings you Be My Eye, My AI, a pioneer tool that provides detailed AI powered. So I don't know what does one have to do with the other, but I'm interested in Be My AI too. So let's see if I can get Be My AI also. Users AI features. Okay, let's see if I can get also Be My AI at the same time getting ready, checking dependent download, getting files ready. In the meantime, while it is getting ready, I can make a folder here, start a new folder for Be My Eyes with Word so it doesn't interfere in my notepad. I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer, then open Word, file, open a new file in Word, Control V, paste it, and now I'm going to save it in a subfolder that will be called BeMyEyes.com. So let's see if I can go to File, Save As, Browse. Then I'm going to paste BeMyEyes installer, make a subfolder on my document here, and create a new subfolder that spells open parentheses for Be My My I BeMyEye.com. BeMyEye.com. Or it was AI, B for AI, and then BeMyEye.com. For AI, BeMyEye.com. That was equivalent to open parentheses and the number 4, then 24, close parentheses, of course to 4, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, be my eye, and then 4.266. So this will be the subfolder. Save. Then paste it at the top. So, yeah. Save. Let's make it a little smaller. Put it on the side here. And save the other one. Close the other one. Okay, now I want to open it. Let's see what happens. Click open and nothing happens. Okay, use AI features. Or maybe it is just slow, that's all. There's an IP number of some kind. Port. This is where's the application? I'm not sure. Here be my eyes. Log in with email. Sign up with email. Continue. Log in with email. Sign, log in with email, sign up with email. There's another. Next, save, next, password, next, update, bemyeyes.com, continue. This site is trying to open, pick an app. Open this application. Always allow bemyeyes.com to open the link. This type in associated apps. Okay, open. Be My Eyes new. Select an app for this BME link. Browse apps in Be My Eyes new. Okay. What's the difference and why does it appear twice? Can I select both of them? Let's move on already. Return to app. What is this all about? Turn to app. Finish signing in. Doesn't seem to be working so well. Continue. Don't know why it doesn't seem to be working too well for me. Turn to on. Maybe it needs to be a special for Windows 11. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that might be a problem here. Oops. Not bad. So Windows 11, I should say. Windows 11. 11. Full copy. The Windows 11 is different than Windows 10 in this respect. Windows 11. Download, I want to show. Download from Windows 11. That seems to be working too well for me. I want to get for 25, so 20, 25. So for Windows, United States, download. Looks like the same thing, so you don't have to worry about it. Exactly the same thing. Which means one of them doesn't work, the other one won't work either. Maybe after I reboot it, it will start working. Otherwise, I don't know why it doesn't work now. Let's see if I have an icon to rerun it or something like that. Don't know why. It's on the desktop somehow. I have to minimize everything to go and look at the desktop. See any desktop icon for that? Shift, browser, television, PDA. Doesn't seem to be doing anything useful, so I'm going to just continue with my work here, and maybe later on we will deal with this. Let's go now to my Gmail thing, candidate. Yeah, and let's see what it is now. Go to Gmail. Rush. deal first of all with the expiring 7. I want to copy that message to my notepad. What happened to my notepad? Next item here will be parang, will be equal, close parang. Okay. I'm going to run strategy 1, edit, copy, make it a little smaller. And delete the original. I want to open another instance of Gmail. I want to change another account and use another account. So what account am I in now? One strategy. Okay, I want to delete this message. Me. One strategy. Okay. Want to delete it. Okay, yeah. And then I want to delete all of them actually. Delete. Then I want to go to Google Voice. Call Google Voice to deal with the problem.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be produced for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to comply with privacy policy.
Help me deal with the strategy. A, dom- a domain name that is also a vanity phone number with the strategy that the domain name is called X Strategy Run. No, I already have a number. I already have a number. Yeah, I would like to offer strategy of dealing with problems like software incompatibility, technical support. For example, I've downloaded the program that is called Be My Eyes for image vision for Windows. And after downloading it, I cannot get it to work. So I don't know why it doesn't let me use it. What is the strategy that I should use in order to get it to work? That is the question. Oh, that's the problem. Oh yeah, that is the problem. Now, now I understand the problem. That is the problem that I had because I'm using my enterprise computer and it made it so that I cannot download and run and install certain applications. So that is now you got the problem. Thank you. Yes, Sarah. Yeah, let me see if I can. Yes, I'm going to ask for somebody that has the phone. I need to use double uh, phone authentication in order to run some program to install it properly. Yes.
Your IT team should be able to assist. Good luck, and I hope it goes smoothly.
Yes, thank you. Good luck. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Sarah,
Thanks for chatting. Goodbye.
can you have double authentication. I'm trying to download Be My Eye, but it doesn't let me install. Just bring your phone. Let me run this one. Software package. That's why it doesn't work. Try to install it.
Look at my glasses.
Cancel with this. At the same time, it forces you to be more careful when you log in. Huh?
Give me the computer.
Just run the software. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You have to authenticate yourself. Just go back to the desktop and run the software.
Right. Put everything in.
Just minimize it. Don't touch what you don't know.
Keep this running.
Yeah, leave everything
I don't know if they're going to allow you to do it. Administrative access. Okay. Do you want to request yes? It hides things. Please send. Okay.
Such a hassle with it all the time, but you have to deal with it.
Okay.
Did you run it?
Yep. It should be running.
Okay.
And you have a certain amount of time.
Yeah, I know. I have it already downloaded. Yeah, I'm going to rerun the installer. Doesn't let me open it. Doesn't work either. Browser. Try to install it another third time. maybe it's a browser problem. Full version. Okay. Let's go to another one. Try. It doesn't seem to be work regardless of what we do. So what can we do? Turn to does not work.
Hey guys, it's Sam with the Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel where I help you learn how to live your best blind life. Today we are taking a look at the new Be My Eyes application that was just brought out for Windows. I have it right here in my start menu, and this is it's Be My Eyes, but it's actually pretty much just the Be My AI feature that is now running here on Windows. Before we get started though, let me show you how to install it. We want to go to the Microsoft Store because this is just an application that we are going to download. All right, I did a search for Be My Eyes, and here it is right here. In the upper right corner here, since I already have it, this button says open, but if it was not installed on my system, it would say get. So in order to get this application, just click the button here and it will automatically install. Once you have it installed in your system, you can launch it, and you do need to sign in. So it's a free application, but you do need to create an account. And since Be My Eyes is one of the most popular mobile applications in the blind community, I'm sure most of you guys probably already have an account, so just sign in with that information and you'll be good to go. We have two tabs up here in the upper left. You have the Be My AI and the Settings tab. Be My AI is this here. This is the main interface. You have four blue buttons at the top. These are your four different tools that you can use. Below that, you have keyboard commands for these four tools. But those four tools here, the first one is describe my screen. This will take a screenshot here and describe what's on it. Next, you have take a picture. This will launch a camera that you have connected to your computer and let you take a picture that way. You have describe picture. These are all very confusing, but they're all slightly different here. It seems like it's the same thing, but they're all different. Describe picture, here you can upload a picture and it will describe that. And then finally we have describe clipboard. So let's do a quick demo of all of these. Okay, first things first here, I've got an image of myself wearing an iris vision, reading a book. This was used for my recent iris vision video, but I'm going to use Be My AI to describe this. So I'm going to click describe my screen, and it essentially takes a screenshot and displays the screenshot up here at the top. And now it's processing, and it just came up with the description here. Displays that text underneath the screenshot. Down at the bottom, you have a section to ask a follow-up question. Now, it only read it out loud. I would love if they would maybe put like a play button or something, some way for this to be read out loud through the program. So we're just going to use the Windows magnifier reader to read this. So, like I said, down here we can ask a follow-up question. The VR headset and puts it up. The VR headset is black. And there you go. Okay, next we'll click take a picture. And this is going to launch a camera that you have connected to your computer. I've got a camera here, and I've got a letter here that one of my viewers wrote. Says take a picture, and the same exact interface shows a screenshot of the image. And it is processing for confirmation. And it will display the description just
Yes.
like this. So let's see what it says. The image shows a letter placed on a wooden desk.
No,
Here
not
is the
yet.
text from the letter. Here's your email address. Successfully open the app to finish creating your account.
And which email account is it? I tried all of them. It didn't work.
The ARush. Avi,
Yes, okay. Fine. So click that. Okay.
the app here on this phone. Avi, you want me to click it there, or you want to click it on the computer?
Click it on the phone. Let's get rid of it already. I would like to click it here. True, but it doesn't let me. Just a minute. Let me try to click it here. Uh,
This here, and I can describe clipboard. There is my image. And
yeah,
it's going to describe this for me.
excellent.
Shows a man with a beard wearing a virtual reality headset. He is standing in front of a brick wall. The text on the image reads, "The best place on the internet to learn about assistive technology." There you go. And those are the tools currently on the Be My AI or Be My Eyes application running here on Windows. Now, one thing to note
Your
about
email
this
address was
application
successfully
is that
confirmed.
is that okay, but it says to fix it.
It doesn't say anything about fixing it, so let me see.
Read it, the whole thing. For example, this one describes
Open the app to finish creating your account.
but I'm not sure it's going to work on your web browser versus working on the phone. Right.
Yeah, don't confuse everything with everything, please. I don't understand what you're talking about. Can you please articulate it?
Try it there. You may need a phone to finish the confirmation.
It's nothing to do with any phones, yeah.
But did you finish confirmation?
No, I finished confirmation. Return to close it here. Browser is getting out of control here. All kinds of extra windows open. I don't know which one it is. Close all of them. I downloaded it already several times. I'm surprised that they give such a hassle to the blind, you know. Somebody is blind and they're trying to run the damn thing. Don't let you run. Oh, everything. Oh, this is exactly. Hmm. Already ran it about 5 times. Falling, trying to do too many things all at the same time. That's creating a problem. Guess I should reinstall it again.
Why?
Be my eyes checking for updates. Now that I confirmed it, maybe it will work for a change. Okay, I think that now I got it. Be my eyes, finally. Okay, describe my screen. Let's start with this.
Do the laundry, okay?
Fine, thank you very much. Describe my screen. Okay, let's hear it. Please wait. File Explorer Windows, download folder. Okay. Where can I send it to? Send, chat history. history, settings, customize keyword logo terms. Okay, fine. Okay, now that we got it to work finally, I'll go back to my whatever I did before and deal with this. So I have my notepad here. I have X strategy, which I was dealing with. Then I was logging into X strategy. Not sure which browser it was. Here it is. Okay. Let's log again into X strategy. So I want to log into X strategy. Edit. Copy. Use another account. Okay. All V. Next. Then next. Okay. Choose how you appear on YouTube. Edit picture. Not now. Let's see what account am I? X strategy. Okay. X strategy. I'm in there now. I want to do the Gmail account, not YouTube. Synchronization. Browser am I using now? Settings. Change. With another account. Out of all accounts. Okay. Okay, slash. So I want to make sure, want to go to voice again and make sure that it registered my current call to ChatGPT 144, okay, which is fine. And now I want to go to that Google Cloud to upload it. Copy, file, save as. Yes, overwrite. Now I want to go to run and I want to go to drive, to drive, drive. I want to run strategy run, uploader. Okay. Want to make space all the way to just the Google Voice and then enter, upload. Keep both. Extraordinary. Not expire. Okay. Document.
How's it working?
It's working fine. Thank you very much. Strategy run.
Elgar sends his regards, and I told him that you use Dead Sea salt on my head, and we goes because we use that for psoriasis all the time. Knew it too from Dead Sea. I asked him for a refill of this too, the liquid stuff, and he has something new for the face. He says it's supposed to help. He's prescribing it because if he does it during the visit, they charge me for the visit. You know, you have to know all the tricks. You know, they give you one free visit. And he's not even supposed to burn anything off. He's supposed to just look. I'm gonna put the clothes in the laundry.
with notification, the main area shows suggested file folded index strategy. Google Voice with different numbers in parentheses there. Like pop-up notification at the bottom that says get notification. Turn on button. Upload. Strategy. What is the hotkey for this? Share my screen. What other key? Share my screen. Control Alt A. These things, no. Yes, no. Hotkey. Back. Screen. Control plus Alt plus A. Screen. 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 Okay, picture. F. File. File. C. Clip. Or AI. E. AI. Com. Copy. Go back to file. Save as. Browse. it on documents. Documents. New folder. bmyi.com. Screen control. Now I want to turn it on. So let's go here. Start recording now. Pause to here. Control Alt. Control here, control one side one, so control and alt here, and A, control alt A. So in the background, I can see that something going on there. Main window is a document with several path text, some underlining red. It's highlighted. Be my provide accurate detail note where the weather is missing. On the left side, my driver. Okay, then I want to say, okay, let's move this out of the way. So now I got the screen I took care of. Control Alt A. Now I want to do Control. I've done Control Alt A for the screen and Control Alt J for pictures. Control Alt J. Let access your camera. Yes. You did the man. Curious. Feel off his wearing a while broadband with text visible 305 trial base. The room is softly lit with spotlight coming behind, in particular obscured by plants outside. There is bed, wooden lamp with paper attached, zebra strapped, some clothes. What does it mean send? What is it sending to where? Chat history. Today. Multiple overlapping with today. Okay. Kept, shared, shared, show, okay, oh, nothing, okay, that's it, okay, be my AI, back to be my AI, okay, anyways, now I want to do the file, so let's see if that is, so I did A, I did a J, I did Alt F for the file, F for the file name, copy, file, save as, browse, new folder, okay, okay, so drawing pad, file, save as, browse, save, now, font, okay, oh, file, it has to be an image file, okay, problem, that's image file, okay, so this is no good, just an image file, okay, keyboard, I got it, image files, make a new subfolder for myself. Subfolder. Before I continue, let's SAR. Notepad, open a new notepad. Edit, paste. Edit, copy, file, save as, folder, folder, documents, be my AI, be, be my AI, one here already, another one here. Okay, this is it for now. I'm so tired now. I have to take little break, and let's take a little break here. First of all, I want to stop the camera software. I don't understand anything. Okay, I'm so exhausted by now. I have to stop. Just too exhausted to continue with all this. Stop this.